Let us go to the next question. This is an organic chemistry question. Two compounds are given there. One is marked as 1, the other one is marked as 2. It contains the double bond and two bigger groups, namely CH3 and Cl, they are opposite each other, something like trans, whereas this is almost like a cis compound. Normally, cis trans nomenclature is not used for this particular thing. Instead of that, you can use the EZ nomenclature, but actually this is equivalent to trans and this is equivalent to cis. The question asked is 4 different properties are given. One is dipole moment, the other one is the boiling point, the third one is the melting point, the last one is stability. 4 options are given. Which one has got a, actually the question asked is which of the following is correct for the physical properties, namely for all these properties stated. The correct answer for this particular question is option C. In all these cases, 1 is greater than 2. This is greater than 2, this is greater than 2, and this is greater than 2, and this is greater than 2. Obviously, we can say the two groups, the melting point, boiling point, dipole moment. Since in the case of dipole moment, since the two groups are the opposite one is more actually greater, because methyl is actually, compared to chlorine and methyl, methyl is one which applies to this direction. Therefore, it proceeds in the same direction. In this case, it proceeds in the opposite direction. Therefore, the dipole moment in this case for 1 it is slightly higher than for 2. Similarly, for the boiling point, melting point, as well as the two bigger groups are on the opposite side, the stability is also higher. So, the correct answer for this question, for question number 43, is actually C. That only for the option C we have for all the 4 properties, namely the dipole moment, boiling point, melting point, and stability, 1 has got a higher value than the 2. Therefore, the correct option for this question is actually C.